How to create a new line on WhatsApp web. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new line in your WhatsApp web chat. So without any further ado, let us get started. Open up any of your web browser, then get logged into your WhatsApp account through web. As you do so, open up any chat that you would like to do so. And in order to start a new line, type in your first message, then click on to shift and enter at the same time. As you do so, it will open up your new line. Again, type in anything you want and tap on enter to send. And just like so, this is how you can do it. So thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you had found this video to be helpful, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.